Okay, the raven's so small. And we have Amazon. Let's fight. Calm down, raven, because I really want to see you be the C on the U. No, come back. Okay. Zoom. Get stuck. And you just get stuck, Amazon. Oh my god, his wings touch my head. Sorry. Hold up. Just for compensation, my hand's actually not wet, but wait, what have I wiped this on? I don't know what I wipe it on. Amazon. Oh wait. Okay. See, he just keeps on drawing it. But are you the same as next day? If I just do this when you come? Nah. But the raven is like so small. Like it's literally insane. But I want to put the mints like a little bit more deeper in. So I can like it. So I can be in there for longer. Surely he can see that from there, right? The camera can't see it, but he can definitely see it. And throw the sun in there. Okay, now, what are you going to do to that? Look there. Look there. Oh, hold on. What in the island? How do what if I just make it go like I don't know, right there. And now we can see it. Go. Should I go for something like more extra? I don't know, it's just so funny. Oh my god, but that wing sound that he just made was so good. I love it. I love wing sounds. We make us say, hello. Oh, he's fluffy. Hi. Oh, my bad. But I don't want to get the Indian miners wet. Because for some reason the pigeon is not wet. I'm done. Because the dog. Well, Amazon's gone. I tried to find the pigeon. But can the white? Oh, the white was gone. Okay. Yay! I love when the white one went. When that was the only time I could capture and be the white. Well, I captured a pigeon there. But what? Wait. Sorry. But I swear that something ain't right there. That's a little bit impossible. If we're not fighting. Right then, come. Oh my god, oh my god. Take it perfectly. Oh, we're not in the minus part. Wave it. Wave it. Wave it, don't trust me. Amazon's still up there. Till then, make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff to you guys there. But until, oh my god, what's that? Till then, goodbye. It's a beautiful day in Los Angeles. It's a beautiful day in the bed in One Piece.